This Black Friday, unlock explosive business growth by tapping into expansion revenue with SamCart's help. Expansion revenue increases your average order value by a staggering 129%, more than doubling what your customers are spending. This is a game changer for Black Friday. Here's our favorite way to unlock all that extra revenue: order bumps. To add an order bump to your product pages, use the product list to select 2 or 3 products you would like to offer as order bumps and select Add. After adding the products from the product list, scroll down to access the order bump customization features. This is where you can change your layout, fonts, colors, all the things. Once you've customized your order bump, click Save, and it's ready to go. All there's left to do is sit back and watch your customers spend more. We see this remarkable 129% increase in every market on the planet. If you want to make Black Friday your most profitable day of the year, check out the 2023 Creator Profit Report. We studied the $3.7 billion in sales through SamCart and have 48 surprising stats to share that can boost your conversions and make you more money. Put this data to use this Black Friday. Visit samcart.com/Black Friday to get your free copy today.